this thing rolling or what?
It is actually. Look at that.
Is it?
Look at that. What's that?
Oh, that's in the past. We're time traveling.
Let's see what happens.
Sage is gonna die when he sees this.
It's gonna be awesome. Look, we're live. Look,
super live.
Look, his battery's holding up pretty good for today.
Okay.
All right, awesome. I think it's good. It's a little delayed.
It's all
I
good.
think it's good. Hold on, let me check on my phone real quick. Watch live. All right, let me do this. Let me add this to Facebook.
So why don't you tell everybody what we're surprising Sage with?
We got a box in that says top secret from Arc Audio. We have no idea what's in the box, but it looks very exciting. Can't spell today. Let's see, hashtag Arc Audio, top secret, hashtag 720. Both of those. Let's tag some people. We gotta tag Brian, right? From us, Brian Mitchell, Fred. Who else can we tag?
What about Chris?
Nate,
Yep.
Christopher,
Or Rivera?
Rivera. Who else is a crazy Arc Audio fanatic? Either way, let's do it. Tag for you guys. Hopefully Sage doesn't come in here. Let's share it to a group.
Probably out there doing Sage things.
Alright, let's go in. Tell them some tools.
We got to give him stupid tools though to watch him struggle.
Give them a butter knife. Sage! Bring some tools. We got something for you. They eat mosquitoes. That's why Tennessee don't have any.
Spiders and stuff.
It's better than mosquitoes.
Spinal and I almost got attacked by a spider. What do you mean?
Bring a Phillips head. Maybe on a drill, depending on how much you want to work today.
And bring a Boeing tool.
And a Boeing tool. And you might need a face mask. It looks kind of dangerous.
How about a hammer?
Yes, a hammer, sawzall.
The hammer's in the radio install drawer.
Persuasion.
Yeah.
What? It's not too heavy.
Caution. Brum, brum, brum.
Number one YouTube fan, James.
I hope he's out there.
Hey, what is James' name? We'll have to look him up. What the tag? What are you doing?
Got you a present.
What's going on? What is this? Sage sounds good stereo Nashville. Top secret.
Hot water.
720. What the hell that is? Top secret, huh? How am I going to open this one?
Oh, Hollywood over here.
What is this? Drywall screws? Seriously? Art?
Amp installation tools.
Here's some threaded inserts.
seen you get that out of my box, dude.
It's not mine. I mean, I can find that. Save me find his tools. Should I be like cautious when I open this?
Like a hazmat suit.
Okay, this is cool. It's pretty cool. Look, it's full of hay.
That's all you get.
Anti-power motorcycle. Check this out. Moto 720.
Holy shit.
I'm not really good at reading, so you guys could just read this yourself. 180 by 4. New signal
damn.
sense auto detect. New input range selector to adapt wide selection of input sources. Speaker terminals to lessen damage due to vibration. Okay, this is interesting. It's only 180 by 4
For a motorcycle.
for a motorcycle. What is this? Is this a bandana for me to wear? Oh man, what is this?
That shit ain't gonna fit your head.
Bro, it is. Some bandanas, dude.
Yo, so when you're on your hog,
When I'm on my motorcycle, I wear some bandanas.
was that 2 of them? One for Don when he's riding in the back?
What am I gonna do with this? Should I just dump it on the floor?
That's what you always do. I mean, it's no different, right?
Relax. Bro, let's go dump this outside. I don't want to dump this. I'm gonna go dump this outside. Don, what are you doing?
Go dump it.
Trying to figure out. I'm gonna dump it right here. Let's see what we got here.
Now it looks like a damn barn out here.
Okay, what is this?
A case in a case?
Should be pretty made for a motorcycle, right? So I can bang it around a little bit. All right, let's go back inside. It's super hot out here.
I'll get Don to clean that up.
Hey Don, I just made a total mess outside. Could you clean that up later?
Yeah, I got you.
Thanks, bro. I like this case. Oh man.
You can have what's in it.
Moto 720. Okay.
What?
Look at this.
Thing looks legit.
Wow. It's very similar to the older one. Okay. That's super cool. Turn on. Power ground. 180 by 4.
That's rad, dude.
That's super sick. Engineered by Nicola Engineering for Arc Audio. It's awesome. So we got RCA and speaker level inputs right on it. Got some speaker level. This is just plug right in there. It's pretty dope. It's better connection. Did the old one have RCA connectors on it?
I don't-
It did. It had like an RCA plug.
I thought it had a pigtail.
This is dope.
It may
I
have.
like this. And the other one had plugs that came off.
Yeah.
These are mounted, which is better for a motorcycle for vibration and stuff. That's super dope. And more power.
Looks like it's almost the same chassis too, same footprint.
Chassis size, pretty.
Awesome.
I don't have anything to measure this, do we? It's pretty dope. And it's slanted so it'll fit in the bikes, no problem.
Yeah, right under that
You could actually
fairing.
use this in cars too. Tuck these away, like 4 or 5 of them. Perfect.
Power. It's not like we need
Lots of
power.
power. Do 2 per side for a 3-way system.
Run it.
Or yeah, 3 of them or something like that. That's super cool. Wow. Well, thank you, Arc Audio, for sending this to us to test and check out. We're definitely going to hook it up and test it and see how we like it. I'm pretty sure it's badass, just like all of your products. So, yeah, it's pretty cool.
Can't wait to run it.
And it's like 8 1/4, little under 2 inches. Awesome, dude. We can use this in a lot of applications. It's got little mounting feet. Super sick. Well, we gotta hook this up and make another video and see how it is. What do you think, Scott?
I'm digging it, dude.
Pretty dope, right?
Now we need a
Lots of
bike.
power and a small chassis.
Yep.
You can use it on bikes and other things. I guess all the controls and stuff are underneath here. I don't have a screwdriver. This is not a normal tool.
Don't do this with your Moto amplifier.
Why not? I wanna
Well, let's go get one. Let's go to your toolbox. We'll get to show them how you really do. You can just tell them it's my toolbox.
Toolbox is super organized. Got my screwdriver. Don't mind this mess right here.
That's not ours.
It's not right now. This box makes me happy. Alright, so I'm going to take the cover
So
back
we're
off.
gonna know what happened.
Alright, so we're doing the video, we don't really know what we're doing. So I think our audio cut out, so I was like looking at the amp, I took the cover off and no one could hear what I was saying. So I'm going to take the cover off again and we're going to look at the controls. And I've noticed some differences on this amp, which I actually like better than the previous model. It has more power, which is awesome. That's very important. Power is awesome. So when you set the gain right, it actually has a lot of volume. Super cool.
The volume knob.
When you set the volume knobs properly,
You turn the volume knobs to 11.
yeah, then you can turn the volume knob on the bike to 11 and nothing breaks. So I took the cover off. It's a nice cover. Moto 720. I like that. It's awesome. Super fancy. 4 Phillips screws on the top. Access the crossovers and the input selection switch and all that. Are you nervous, bro?
Relax,
dude. What a
monster.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes
The
it
gimbal
It has auto sense, selectable auto sense, signal off or DC offset, I guess, which is super dope. High pass, low pass, and full range. If you want to run your speakers full range at 180 watts per channel, you can do that if you want to.
Tweeters only.
Yeah. Pretty badass. This is really cool. How I think the 602 had like Phoenix connectors that plugged in on a bike when it's moving around. I think they can like fall off. So I think this is a lot better design, a lot more compact. The connectors won't stick out of the front. And then the inputs.
What's the pigtails? What you doing? What time are you going back again?
You probably lost them.
Yeah, probably. That's normal for me. I don't know. So it has pigtails for input. So I guess you have 4-channel or 2-channel input. Those plug right on there and lock in, which is super awesome. So you can do 2-channel or 4-channel inputs. Has a 2-channel and 4-channel selector switch. You know,
How big is this thing?
50 to 500 hertz crossovers. It's like 8 inches by, let's see, 8 1/8.
Or 8 heavy.
Yeah, 8 heavy, 5 light. It's what? 2 and 3 or 1 3/4 heavy, tall. Super cool.
How do you mount this thing? Velcro?
It has mounting tabs. You can Velcro it in place actually. It works well on bikes. Or you can epoxy it in place.
For a
It has
permanent
little
install?
mounting tabs. I guess they screw onto the bottom.
Got it.
4 mounting tabs, or you could use a Velcro or 2 bike.
It's a lot of power in a small chassis.
Super amount of power. And I mean, I was telling Scott, like, we could use this in cars too.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we could use, like, I don't know, 2 for the front stage.
One per side.
You could bridge it, like do a 2 channels for mid bass, and then a 4 channel, 2, like one for 3s and tweets, bridged on mid bass, and then if you run a pair of 10s on this thing, probably no problem. Super cool. And small, you can tuck them away. And do a really cool install. So yeah, and then these covers are really cool. You can turn them around, so if you want to install them like this, you know, the wires going to the back or in a bike or upside down or whatever you want to do there.
Just need to find a car or bike to put it in.
Yeah, we need one. You should get a bike though. Like a Harley. Perfect. Fedora, Harley. Be awesome.
Yeah, I gotta finish my other projects first.
That's probably a good idea.
I think Scott should know something.
Easy now.
Hey, where's Doug? Where's Doug?
Put it on Doug's bike. He even got a bandana for you now.
I love it.
That's super cool. And this is what else is in the box too. This super cool ARC audio keychain. Look at that thing. It's
Thank you.
badass. Hey,
Check that out.
it matches my door jams.
I know. It's badass.
Matches my door jams in the car.
Does it do the same power as 2 and 4 ohms? Do you know?
I don't know actually. Maybe is there a manual somewhere?
I don't know. Call Art. Where's the manual? What do you manual? If you don't know how to hook this up, you probably shouldn't. It's a lot of power.
Lots of power. Set your gains right. Make sure it internally fused 330 amps or 230 amp fuses. Yeah, super awesome. I wonder it doesn't have any. Yes, it does. Load selector. 4 ohms. Yeah, it has load selector. So it does it 4 ohm or 2 ohm.
Power.
Yeah, 4 ohm or 2 ohm. So it'll do 180 by 4 ohm or 2 ohm. It's bridgeable, so you can do 2-channel amplifier, or a 4-channel amplifier, or a 3-channel amplifier. So it's pretty cool. It's awesome. I like how the plugs are integrated now. It's super dope.
Good job, guys.
Good job, ARC, as always. Super cool. Now we need one with DSP built in. Same size. That'd be awesome.
More power and DSP. Let's see what y'all can do.
Please.
I thought it was going to be 720 by 4.
That's a Dawn amplifier.
The speaker cooker.
Yeah, so cool. Awesome. I like this little badge.
Alright, sorry for the mishap earlier, guys. But hopefully this answers all your questions. And if you need anything else, let us know.